In this video, I'm going to show you how to expand photo in Photoshop. So what you want to do is first have some photo inside Photoshop and then click on it, and if you press Ctrl and T, as you can see, this blue border forms around it, and that's how you can expand the image as you would like. You can expand to the right, you can expand it vertically up and down, or you can do it just perfectly in the corner. So if you hold down your Shift key and then you drag the corners or anywhere else, you can see it will adjust accordingly to the original ratio and it will look perfect. Okay, so that's the first way of how you can actually expand the image in Photoshop. And then the second way is clicking over here where it says crop tool. Okay, you can also press C, and once you press this, you can simply drag around to the up or to the left. As you can see, if I go vertically, down, left, right, there we go. This will expand the image, and that's it. I hope this video helped you out.